You're sitting across the desk from a car salesman. He's smiling, he's relaxed, and you have absolutely no idea what to say next. That moment, that specific gut-twisting moment, is where most people lose thousands of dollars. Not because they're not smart, not because they didn't want a good deal, but because they walked in without a script. Today, that changes. By the time this video ends, you'll have the exact word-for-word phrases to use at every stage of a car negotiation. And I mean exact. You'll know what to say when they quote you a price, what to say when they try to shift you to monthly payments, and most importantly, you'll know the one phrase that can save you thousands of dollars in under 30 seconds. Here's the core insight everything else builds on. The moment you stand up to walk away, the entire power dynamic shifts. The dealer stops being in control. You do. But there's a right way and a wrong way to do it, and I'm going to give you the exact words. Stay with me.
Why most people lose before they even sit down. Here's the brutal truth. Most people have already lost the negotiation before they shake anyone's hand. It happens in the preparation phase, or the lack of it. Mistake 1. Falling in love with a specific car before knowing its market position. The moment you're emotionally attached, you stop negotiating and start justifying. Mistake 2. Telling the dealer your monthly budget. The second those words leave your mouth, the salesperson stops thinking about total price. They start thinking about loan terms, interest rates, and how many months they can stretch your payment to hide a $5,000 markup. Mistake 3. Not knowing how long the car has been sitting on the lot. And this one is huge. Check the build date on the window sticker, run the VIN on Car Gurus or Auto Trader, or simply call the service department and ask when the car was received. Here's why it matters. A car listed at $34,500 that has been on the lot for 67 days is a fundamentally different negotiation than the same car that arrived last week. That 67-day number is leverage, real dollar-denominated leverage, and we're going to use it.
The psychology of silence. Before we get to the scripts, I need you to understand one thing. Silence is a weapon. Salespeople are trained to fill quiet. When the room goes still, they get uncomfortable. And when they get uncomfortable, they start offering things they hadn't planned to offer. Here's the mindset cue. The moment you make your offer, you go quiet. You don't explain it, you don't soften it, you just let it sit there. And you repeat this to yourself internally. The next person who speaks loses. That's it. That's the whole section. Because this works, but only if you actually do it. Tip number 1. The days on lot weapon. The mechanic, every car on a dealer's lot is financed. The dealer pays interest, called floor plan financing, on every single vehicle every single day it sits there. After 45 to 60 days, that carrying cost starts to hurt. After 60-plus days, dealers are often willing to sell at or below invoice just to stop the bleeding. Your research step. Check the window sticker build date or pull up the listing on Car Gurus or Auto Trader. Both show days listed. If the number is 45 or higher, you have leverage. If it's over 60, you have a lot of leverage. Your script.
I noticed this vehicle has been on your lot for X days. I've done my research on the invoice price and the current market. I'm prepared to make a decision today, but my number is $Y. If we can get there, we're done right now. Let's break down why this works. You're signaling that you've done homework, which immediately changes how they see you. You're creating urgency on their side, not yours. And you're anchoring the conversation to a specific number you named. That last part is critical. Always name your number first. Whoever anchors first shapes the entire negotiation. Then, stop talking. Tip number 2. Redirect the monthly payment trap. This is the oldest move in the dealership playbook. Shift the conversation from the total price to a monthly payment. Watch for it. It sounds like, what are you looking to pay per month? Here's why it's dangerous. Stretching a loan from 48 months to 72 or 84 months can make a $6,000 overcharge feel like a manageable $80 difference in your monthly bill. You'll drive off feeling like you won. You didn't. The moment they go to monthly payments, redirect. Every time. Your script?
I appreciate that, but I'm focused on the out-the-door price, not the monthly payment. What's the best total number you can do? If they push back, I'll handle the financing separately. Right now, I just need your best out-the-door price. This matters more than it sounds. When you separate the negotiation, price first, financing second, trade-in last, you prevent the dealer from moving money between buckets. It's a common trick. Lower the price by $500, then make it back by adjusting the trade-in value or bumping the loan rate. When everything is negotiated together, you can't see where the money is moving. Keep them separated, every time. Tip number 3, the walkaway. This is the one. This is the moment I teased at the beginning of the video. Most people threaten to walk away. Dealers know this. They've heard it 1,000 times. They'll wait you out, offer a small concession, and watch you fold because you've already decided this is the car you want. So here's the deal. You only get to use this move if you're actually willing to walk. If you're not, skip it, because a fake walkaway actually hurts you. It tells the dealer you're bluffing, and they file that information away. If you are willing to walk, here's the scene. You've made your offer, they've come back with a counter that's still too high. This is the moment. Your script. I respect that you may not be able to get there. This just isn't the right deal for me today. Then stand up, shake their hand, start walking toward the door. Do not look back, do not check your phone. In a high percentage of cases, before you reach the door, you'll hear, "Let me talk to my manager one more time." That's the moment. That's when thousands of dollars get dropped. If they let you walk all the way to your car, that's information too. Call the dealership the next morning. I'm still interested if you can get to $X. I'm also looking at competitor model this afternoon. The mention of a competitor resets the clock on their urgency. Use it. Bonus. What to say when they say that's below invoice. You'll hear this. It's a deflection, not a fact. Dealers receive what's called dealer holdback, a payment from the manufacturer after the sale, typically 1 to 3% of MSRP. There are also unadvertised dealer incentives and volume bonuses. Invoice price is not the dealer's true cost floor. It's a number, and like all numbers, it's negotiable. Your response, I understand. I'm not trying to be unfair. I just know what the market supports right now. If this doesn't work for you, I completely understand. Calm, confident, non-combative, and it puts the next move on them. 3 moves. That's all this is. 1. Use days on lot as leverage. Name your number first, then go silent. 2. Every time they move to monthly payments, redirect back to out-the-door price. Keep the negotiation separated. 3. Walk away, for real, and let silence and distance do the work. None of this is about being aggressive. The dealer negotiates cars every single day. You do this once every few years. These scripts don't give you an unfair advantage. They just level the playing field. If you know someone who's buying a car in the next few months, send them this video right now. It might be the most valuable thing you ever forward them.
Subscribe to the channel if you want to understand money better than most people around you. Here you will learn not just to earn, but to manage your finances so that they work for you. Watch the next video and take another step towards financial freedom.